Good morning students. Today we see the chapter coordinate geometry. First topic, distance formula. The distance between p of x1 y1 and q of x2 y2 is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, or the distance pq equal to root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Next, the distance of the point p of x y from the origin is, origin node value 0 0, from the origin is root of x square plus y square. Root of x square plus y square. The distance of the point p of x y from the origin is root of x square plus y square. The first point x y, second point 0 0. X minus 0 the whole square, x square, y minus 0 the whole square, y square. The director, the root of x square plus y square. Exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the following pair of points 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 2 is a x1 point, 3 is a y1 point, x1, y1, and 4, 1, 4 is a x2 point, 1 is a y2 point, x2, y2. Solution. The distance between 2 points is equal to root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square equal to root of x1 value 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 the whole square plus 3 minus 1 the whole square. Root of 2 minus 4 oda value minus 2 the whole square, minus 2 square பண்ணீங்கன்னா 4 plus 3 minus 1 oda value 2, 2 square oda value 4. Therefore 4 plus 4 oda value root 8. Root 8 is also written as 4 into 2. 4 oda root value 2 root 2. Therefore the distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1 value is 2 root 2. The distance between the points minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Minus 5 is a x1 value, 7 is a y1 value, and minus 1 is a x2, 3 is a y2. The distance between minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3 is equal to root of x1 minus x2 minus 5 minus of minus 1, minus of minus 1, minus 5, minus into minus plus. By x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 plus 1 oda value minus 4 the whole square. Minus 4 square பண்ணா 16 plus 7 minus 3 oda value 4. 4 square பண்ணீங்கன்னா 16. Therefore 16 plus 16 oda value root 38, root of 38. Root 38 is written as 16 into 2, 16 into 2. 16 oda root value 4 root 2. The distance of the 2 points minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3 is 4 root 2. The distance of the point a, b and minus a, minus b. Solution. The distance between a, b and minus a, minus b is x1, y1, x2, y2. Using the formula x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. x1 minus x2, minus into minus plus, therefore a plus a the whole square plus y1 minus y2, minus into minus plus b minus of minus b. Therefore b plus b the whole square. A plus a, 2a the whole square plus b plus b, 2b the whole square. Root of 2 square value 4 a ஓட ஸ்கொயர் வேல்யூ a ஸ்கொயர் 4a ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் 4b ஸ்கொயர். Next the common value, take out the common value 4 into a square plus b square. 4 into a square plus b square. 4 oda root value 2 into root of a square plus b square. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between two towns A and B? First, the distance between the 2 points, solution, the distance between 0, 0 and 36, 15 is, it is a origin. The distance between the P of x, y from the origin is root of x square plus y square, using the formula root of x square plus y square. Therefore, the x order value 36, y order value 15. Therefore, 36 the whole square plus 15 square. 36 into 36, 1296 plus 15 square order value 15 into 15, 225. Therefore, root of 1296 plus 225 add பண்ணீங்கன்னா 1521. Therefore, the root value of 1521 is 39. Therefore, the distance value is 39. Distance up to 2 point value is 39. Next, can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B? Two towns oda distance. A one town, B is another town. இதனுடைய distance find பண்ண முடியுமான்றது question. Yes, we can find the distance between the given two towns A and B. பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Assume town A at origin point 0, 0. 0, 0 town A choose பண்ணுறோம். Town B will be a point 36, 15. 36, 15. Town B ஓட points 36, 15. Using the formula, therefore the value is 39. The distance between the town A and B is 39 kilometer. 39 kilometer. Third question. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. Collinear meaning na the 3 points is a lie on a same line. 3 points same line la irukku. Idanode collinear oda condition AB plus BC equal to AC. The sum of two sides equal to the third sides are BC plus AC equal to AB. Next, any two sides, the sum of two sides addition is equal to the third side. Let A 1, 5, B 2, 3, C minus 2, minus 12 respectively. Name A oda points B, C. Let the distance between the points AB equal to root of x1 minus x2 the whole square, x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 minus x2 the whole square, 1 minus 2 the whole square plus 5 minus 3 the whole square. Root of 1 minus 2 oda value minus 1. Minus 1 square value 1 plus 5 minus 3 oda value 2. 2 square value 4. Therefore, 1 plus 4 oda value 5. Next, BC equal to root of B. This point x1, y1, x2, y2 அப்படின்னு choose பண்ணணும். 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 the whole square plus 3 minus of minus 11. Therefore, 3 plus 11. Therefore, 2 plus 2 oda value 4. 4 square oda value 16 plus 3 plus 11 oda value 14. 14 into 14, 196. Therefore, 16 plus 196 value root of 212. Next, the distance of CA. C, a point, choosing any one x1, y1, x2, y2 or x1, y1, x2, y2. Therefore, 1 minus of minus 2, 1 plus 2 the whole square plus 5 minus of minus 11, 5 plus 11 the whole square. 1 plus 2 the whole square oda value 3, 3 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 9, 5 plus 11 oda value 16, 16 into 16 oda value 256. Therefore 9 plus 256 equal to, this value 9 plus 256 equal to 265. Since AB plus BC not equal to CA, the sum of two side or third side is equal. The AB plus BC not equal to CA. Therefore, the 3 points are not collinear. 3 points are not collinear. Fourth question. Check whether 5, minus 2, 6, 4 and 7, minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. A triangle, isosceles triangle meaning two sides are equal. Two sides are equal, one sides are different. Therefore, let A, B, C points are 5, minus 2, B points are 6, 4 and C 7, minus 2 respectively of the vertices of the triangle. First to find the distance AB equal to x1 minus x2 the formula 5 minus 6 the whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 the whole square. 5 minus 6 oda value minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1 plus minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 the whole square. Minus 6 square oda value 36. Therefore 36 plus 1 oda value root 37. Next BC, the distance BC. Therefore 6 minus 7 the whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2 oda value plus 2. 4 plus 2 the whole square. 6 minus 7 the whole square oda value minus 1. Minus 1 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1. 4 plus 2 oda value 6. 6 square oda value 36. Therefore 1 plus 36 oda value root 37. Next side CA. CA 7 minus 5 the whole square minus 2 plus 2 the whole square. 7 minus 5 the whole square plus minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 change ஆயிடும். Therefore plus 2 the whole square. 7 minus 5 oda value 2. 2 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 4 plus minus 2 plus 2 oda value 0. 0 square பண்ணா 0. Therefore 4 plus 0 oda value 4. 4 க்கு root எடுத்தா value 2. Therefore the side AB and BC is equal root 37 and root 37. Therefore ABC is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal in length. Therefore triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. Next, fifth question. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C, D as shown in figure 7.8. This is a classroom. 4 seated A, B, C, D. Shampa and Chamli walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Shampa asks Shamli, don't you think ABCD is a square? Shamli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them correct. Two friends, Shampa and Shamli. Shampa walk the 4 sides A, B, C, D. Walk பண்ணிட்டு the walking distance is a square அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. இது which is correct or not அப்படின்றத distance formula யூஸ் பண்ணி find out பண்ணணும். The points of A is the x-axis value 3, y-axis is value 4. The points of A 3, 4. The B points x-axis value 6, y-axis 7, 6, 7. C point x-axis value 9, y-axis 4. Therefore 9, 4. The point D 6, 1. X-axis value 6, y-axis value 1. 6, 1. Therefore A 3, 4, B oda point 6, 7, C oda point 9, 4 and the point D is 6, 1 are the position of the 4 friends. First to find the distance AB, x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 minus x2 the whole square, y1 minus y2 the whole square. 3 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 7 the whole square. 3 minus 6 oda value minus 3 the whole square. Minus 3 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 9. 4 minus 7 oda value minus 3. Minus 3 square பண்ணாலும் value 9. Therefore 9 plus 9 value root 18. Root 18 is also written as 9 into 2. Therefore 3 root 2. Next, the distance BC. BC. x1, y1, x2, y2 using x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. Your choice x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1. Your choice. Square பண்றப்ப value same ஆ தான் இருக்கும். Therefore 9 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 7 the whole square. 9 minus 6 ஓட value 3. 3 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 9 plus 4 minus 7 ஓட value minus 3. Minus 3 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா value 9. 9 plus 9 ஓட value root 18. 18 9 into 2 write பண்ணலாம். 9 ஓட value root value 3 root 2. Next CD. Next, the distance CD. 9 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 the whole square. 9 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 the whole square. 9 minus 6, 3. 3 square oda value 9 plus 4 minus 1 oda value 3. 3 square oda value 9. 9 plus 9 oda value root 18. 18 oda 9 into 2 write பண்ணலாம். 9 க்கு root எடுத்தா 3 root 2. Next, the distance point DA. 6 minus 3 the whole square, 1 minus 4 the whole square, or 3 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 the whole square. x1 minus x2. 3 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 the whole square. 3 minus 6 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா minus 3. Minus 3 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 9 plus 4 minus 1 ஓட value 3. 3 square பண்ணா 9. 9 plus 9 ஓட value root 18. 18 is also written as 9 into 2. 9 க்கு root எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 3 root 2. Therefore, the four sides AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. The four sides value 3 root 2. Therefore, ABC is a square. Hence, Shampa was correct. அவங்க சொன்னது Shampa it is a square அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. It is a correct value.